I hope you all are having a great day on today. So I'm here to show you all a wig that I was sent from Hairvivi. I wanted to unbox it with you guys so you can see how it comes packaged, because Hairvivi always has nice packaging. So I wanted to unbox it with you all right now. So this is the wig. Okay, it comes with this nice bow on it, and it's a nice navy blue box, nice and sturdy. And then it has the tissue paper, and then their wig comes in a nice satin bag. So take the wig out, and then there's another little satin bag in here with some goodies in it. So we're gonna check that out first. So cute. Okay, so it comes with a comb. I think they got, yeah, I love when they send combs. I love their combs. Combs are like one of my favorite things to get from companies, because you can never have too many combs. These two, nice edge brush. Never can have too many of these. Oh my God, you can never have too many of these either. Clips, love those what is this called? The alligator clips, or am I lying? But yeah, nice quality clips with their logo on it. Ooh, they sent a wig grip, those silicone wig grips. So if you don't want to use adhesive or glue to put your wig on. Ooh. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna try it with this video, because y'all know how I am. I'm a creature of habit for what works for me. So, but yeah, love this. Like, I'm gonna try it one day. And I love the little pouch it comes in. Hairvivi do not be playing with the quality, okay? They do not come to play. Is there anything else? Oh, tweezers. Love their tweezers too. Like a cute gold. Nice gold pair of tweezers. Lastly is like a little pamphlet that comes in, and also some information on the back. Again, wig comes in this nice, it's like a nice rose gold satin bag. I love that. It comes in a nice plastic bag. I mean, the packaging, like, your wig is secure, babe. Of course, it has the netting over it, and it has the tissue paper in the middle. I can't remember the specs of this wig. I want to say it's 18 or 20 inch, but y'all know I'm gonna have the information down in the description box. Okay, so this is a 13x6 lace wig, and it is HD lace, babe. Oh yeah, don't play with them. This is the inside. It comes with their elastic band, and an adjustable, detachable elastic band. Okay, and then it comes with a nice big comb in the back, 2 combs on the sides, adjustable straps, and it comes. They have this new technology. I'm gonna try to describe it, but I'm gonna put, if I don't, I'm gonna try to either put some information like at the bottom of the page, in the description box, or on the screen. But they have like this new technology where they have these tabs here on the ear tabs, because their goal is they want you to be able to wear this completely glueless. Like, y'all know, you know, people love to use glue for their wigs. Also, someone like me that, even though I'm not using glue, I do use hairspray to take my wigs down. Some people use mousse. There's a lot of different techniques to apply your wig and adhere your wig to your head. So their goal is to make your experience totally easy, where you don't have to do much at all to get your wig laid and slayed, okay? So first things first, yeah, they had these, it's like bendable things. I don't know what to call them, but they're like, you know, they're flexible. Kind of reminds me of like, I'm not sure if it's called boning in the waist trainers, but like those things in the waist trainers that help it stay up, you know what I'm saying, without it rolling down. They have these on the side, so it's supposed to act as enforcement to keep your ears tabs down, because like if you want to do it completely glueless with nothing used, sometimes, or a lot of the times, your ear tabs can tend to fly up when you're doing a frontal. So their goal is to make it where these stay down, period. Like they don't budge. So we will test it out. Y'all know I still love to like add a little something to my installs, because it just makes it like takes it up a notch. But if you're the one that just absolutely hates putting anything on your hairline to adhere your wigs, and some people are allergic to products around their scalp and hairline, so this definitely would be something you would want to look into. So we're gonna get into some things, okay? And then they had this technology on the back. It's like silicone. Normally, you know, this being the back, the little nape area, but they added silicone little patches on the back, and this is supposed to adhere back here where it doesn't budge either. So that's dope. Like, one thing about Hairvivi, I feel like they're always a step ahead. They're always thinking outside of the box. With Hairvivi, I know their wigs, you're gonna pay a nice coin for them, okay? They're not your typical like cheap quality type wigs, or something where you can just get away with for a few weeks. This is something that's supposed to last you. It's pretty much an investment, and they give you your bang for your buck. So every time I work with Hairvivi, it's always a pleasant experience. Okay, also the knots come bleached, okay? So you don't have to worry about that at all. Look at all that parting space you have in the middle. This is more of a lace front, so you don't get much parting on the sides here, but you do get enough where you could do a side part in the middle, because it's a 13 by 6, so you can achieve a side part with this. Also, the hairline, y'all know it always come looking bomb.com. Like, I know y'all can't see, but when I apply it, when I get to apply it on my head, y'all be able to see. But look at it. And this is again HD lace. So yeah, y'all, so it's giving nothing but quality from the packaging, from the wig construction, okay? This is not your cheap construction. This is like well thought out of. So yeah, we're gonna get into that when I apply the wig and style it up for you all. So one more thing, they sent me this, and this is pretty much how their this is like the wig cap that they use, or the wig construction that they use to make their wigs. So as you can see, it has an elastic band on it too. I'm gonna take this off so we can see it better. This is like the construction of their cap. So as you can see, it's well thought out of. They're just not just playing around. They thought about this carefully and thoughtfully. And again, these are the little things where you can see it up close. Then that silicone piece in the back. So yeah, so this is something that they constructed. This is not like your basic type of construction. So I can't wait to get this wig styled up and installed for you all so we can get into it further. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing so that you can see all that you're getting if you decide to purchase this wig. Again, all information and specs will be down below. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing how everything turns out, then keep on watching. So I just threw the wig on to attempt to do it the glueless way, and I can see how it would work. I want to show y'all the cap, and I don't have the elastic band on too, so if I had the elastic band on, it probably would lay so much better. But let me show y'all. So as y'all can see, if you wanted to rock this glueless, y'all see how it's just down? And if you had your elastic band on, let me get closer. Y'all see? It just stays in place from that boning that they put here. So see how it just weight, it's just very firm and like structured there. If I put the elastic band on, which I can't find it at this second, it would definitely lay like super flat, and you really would not have to glue this baby down. Like as you can see, let me pull it. It's definitely giving what needs to be given, but I am going to adhere mine. But I did want to show y'all before I tacked it down with my hairspray how it looks glueless, okay? And again, that's the piece there. So the only reason why it's lit is because I don't have the elastic band on. I'm gonna go ahead and spray mine down, and then I'll come back. This was super quick to put on. I would definitely say if you're someone that really, really loves a glueless unit, like you don't like to put on nothing, you just want to use your elastic band, throw your wig on and go, this would be the perfect wig for you, okay? I didn't even have to put on any foundation on my lace to have this lace blend in my skin. It's freaking, do y'all see that? Like, what lace? This is where the hair comes on me, okay? But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, thank you to Hairvivi. Another superb experience. I always have great experiences with them. So if y'all were to ask me what is a company that I would recommend to get wigs from, Hairvivi is definitely in the list. They are definitely one of the ones I would recommend. Thank you, Hairvivi. I truly appreciate you all. And thank you all so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Thank you for your support. I love you guys dearly. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. And I will get to you all as soon as I can. And I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video, okay? Love you. Bye.